Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make a clear, professional-looking XY graph in Google Sheets. Whether you need this for science project, work presentation, or just to visualize your own data, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn a simple dataset into a powerful scatter plot, complete with a trend line and even the equation of that line if you want to go the extra mile. Let's jump right in and I'll guide you step by step. So picture this scenario. You have a data set of study hours versus exam scores. On one side, you've got how many hours someone has studied, and on the other, their exam result. This kind of data is perfect for an XY graph because it lets us see if more study time truly leads to better scores, a classic example. The first thing you'll need is your dataset organized nice and neatly in Google Sheets. In our sample, study hours is in column A and exam score is in column B, starting with headers in row 1. Don't worry if your data is longer or shorter, the process is the same. Alright, our very first step is to select the entire table. That means clicking and dragging from cell A1 all the way down to B11 so everything is highlighted, including the headers. It's important to include the headers because Google Sheets uses them for axis labels, which makes your graph much more readable and professional. With your table selected, head to the top menu and click on Insert. From there, choose Chart. You'll notice Google Sheets tries to guess what kind of chart you want. It might default to something like a bar graph or a line chart. But don't worry if it doesn't get it right immediately because we're about to customize it. Now watch for the chart editor panel that should appear on the right side of your screen. Here, where the magic happens, look for chart type and switch it to scatter chart. This is crucial. Scatter plots are perfect for this type of data because they show the relationship between your two variables, in this case, study hours and exam scores, with each pair as a single point on the graph. It gives you a much clearer view than, say, a line graph would for raw data points. Next, let's make sure Google Sheets knows which data is your X and your Y. Check that the X-axis is study hours and the series is exam score. Usually Sheets gets this right if your columns are set up like hours, but it's always a good idea to double check. If these are flipped, your graph going to be misleading. You want study hours on the horizontal axis and exam score going up the side. If you want to take your graph to the next level, let's add a trend line. This is really helpful to show the overall pattern in the data, even if each point doesn't fit perfectly. In the chart editor, click on the Customize tab, then go to Series. Here, scroll down till you see the trendline option and select Linear. Instantly, you'll see a straight line appear that best fits your data. It's like drawing an average path right through your points. For those of you who enjoy digging a little deeper, you can even display the equation for that line and the R2 value right on your chart. The equation helps you predict scores for new study hours, and the R2 value tells you how closely your data fits the trend, a great tool for analysis or presentations. To show these, just check the boxes for Show Equation and Show R2 under the trendline settings. And there you have it, a fully customized XY graph in Google Sheets ready to share or analyze. Take a moment to tidy up your chart titles and labels for clarity and you're all set. If something isn't showing quite right, don't worry, just revisit each step and double-check your selections. It might take a few tries the first time, but you'll get the hang of it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more data visualization tips. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another easy step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.